I think our perspective angle is not so correct. So allow me to choose the brush, latest brush here with this angle. Okay, smaller, more flow, and yeah, it's getting too far close. Actually, our road angle, I guess, is not so correct. So allow me to find the road. Control or Command T, okay. And bring it this side, maybe it is better, okay. Control or Command T, bring it a bit up. Still the angle is not so correct, okay. Now I could remove these parts from this angle. Okay, getting better. Still I'm not happy with the road angle. Yeah, this should be better. Okay. Also for grasses, maybe we could move our grasses a bit up. No, because of mask, we have to add something like that. Allow me to match the angle more accurately. Okay. Oops. White color. And yeah. Okay, and remove these sides. We don't need too much. Maybe I removed much, but okay. Now we could add trees. You could search and find any type of trees you like. Allow me to go pngx.com, tree, and find some street trees. Alright, allow me to find previous trees I used in assets folder. Yeah, I used this one, if you remember. And out of this adjustments, hold on the Alt option and click. Alright, I think better to make group again for grass. Control or Command G, grass adjusted. And for this tree, I could start add. Allow me to check this angle. No, this is better. Maybe something like that for this angle. Or I will make them smaller and add another plants later on. Okay. For here, maybe we could add here. And create mask. Brush, black color. Again, that same brush. Okay, allow me to set. And start removing for simulating grasses on that. Okay, now I could unlink and move my tree. Because it's not so visible, I don't need to continue adding trees here. And maybe I make it smaller. Okay, that's fine. Control or Command M. Make it darker. Control or Command U. For yellows especially, allow me to set it on black. I usually doing that. And then start expanding which part exactly I need to affect. Again, set on 0 and change the color. For greens, maybe less saturated. Okay. And exposure again. You see, there is no secret here. We are just adjusting any layers to match, or Control B a bit to make more blue values. Okay, maybe too much. Okay. We could find some trees to add, maybe something like that. Allow me to check quality and matching. Could be fine. Yeah. Alright, I convert this layer to Smart 2 and hold on the Alt or Option key and copy adjustments for this layer too. See, it is getting similar results. Yep, it is getting closer. Okay. Maybe much smaller. Allow me to detect which regions we have. Something maybe like that. Okay. I could even bring it down as a bush. Maybe. And Control M, make it darker. For blue values, less green, more blue to match a bit. Okay, I think that's fine. Even I could duplicate it. I know it is not so visible, but I could bring it down. First of all, below this layer and other position, maybe here to make some depth. Okay. And this blends even could be here. I think it should be get more darker. Okay, something like that. It is fine. We could decide the place of this plant actually. Yeah, maybe something like here. I don't want to cover this tree too much.